Hi everybody, welcome back to the My Health Buddy channel. I'm Prakriti, a health coach at My Health Buddy. So today we are going to do an upper body superset workout. Superset मतलब we are going to do 2 exercise back to back. उसके बाद हम 30 seconds का rest लेंगे and then we'll do the second set of the same exercise. So first superset is going to be a dumbbell chest press along with bent over row. So use an appropriate dumbbell according to whatever weight you feel is comfortable for you. बहुत ज़्यादा heavy नहीं lift करना आपको, बहुत light भी नहीं होना चाहिए. So you lie down on the mat. Now you have to lift the dumbbells up. Okay, so inhale करते हुए वापस आएंगे. Exhale and push up. Make sure your shoulders are pressing against the floor. Inhale and down. Exhale and up. We'll do it for 10 reps. Again, down. Three more reps. And last one. Very nice. Now we'll move on to the next exercise. And I think 5 kg का डंबल ही काफी रहेगा इस एक्सरसाइज को करने के लिए. So now you have to make sure that your back remains straight and you have to pull the dumbbells back. So you exhale as you pull back. Inhale while coming down. अब इस एक्सरसाइज में ध्यान रखना है आपको कि आप अपने shoulders को pull करेंगे. You don't have to use your wrist to pull the dumbbells up. Again, exhale up, down, down. Few more reps left. Keep going, keep going, keep going. अगर वेट ज़्यादा हैवी लग रहा है तो आप लाइट वेट भी यूज कर सकते हैं. And if you think it is too light, then go for a heavier one. And done. Now we'll take 30 seconds rest. इसके बीच में आप थोड़ा सा वॉक कर सकते हैं. Just wait for your breath to calm down, come back to normal. पानी पी सकते हैं. Don't drink a lot of water. बस 1-2 sips पिएंगे. ठीक है, you don't want to fill in your belly with a lot of water. फिर आप एक्सरसाइज करने में comfortable नहीं रहेंगे. So here I'm using 5 kg dumbbell, which was okay for me. Depending on your comfort and जो भी आपकी strength level है, आप उसके according अपना weight use कर सकते हैं. So we'll go for the second set now. Now again, exhale as you move up. Inhale and down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Up. Down. ये करते हुए भी please make sure that your wrist doesn't bend. Wrist आपको सीधी रखनी है और आपकी जो hands है, आपकी जो elbows हैं, वो भी flared out नहीं होनी चाहिए. You don't have to let it go out like this. Keep it a little closer to your waist. Almost 45 degrees. Down. Again. Exhale. Exhale up. To make it a little challenging, don't rest your arms down. Just touch karo and come up. 3 more. And relax. Now we'll move on to the second exercise again, which is going to be bent over row. Pick up the dumbbells. Come in a hinge position. Pull the dumbbells down, down. So this exercise is working on your back. You should be able to feel it all on your back. थोड़ा बहुत आपको अपने फोर आर्म में फील हो सकता है, बट that's okay. It's just because you are lifting some weight. Don't shrug your shoulders. Shoulders ऊपर नहीं जाने चाहिए. Keep it relaxed. Exhale. Down again. Try to maintain the posture. Don't arch your back. Good. And we are done. Keep the dumbbells down. Okay, again we'll take 30 seconds to 1 minute of pause in between. आपको जो convenient लगता है. If you want to take more pause, then you can go for more rest as well. Okay, second set, superset that we'll be starting with is going to be a bicep curl combined with an overhead tricep press. Okay, तो बाइसेप कर्ल के लिए हम यूज करेंगे 5 kg के डंबल. ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू bilateral curls. So you exhale as you come up, inhale while coming down, exhale up, inhale and down. फिर से 10 reps we have to complete. Good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. 6 more reps. Keep breathing, keep breathing. 3 more. आपको अपनी बाइसेप्स पे बहुत अच्छा बर्न फील होना चाहिए. Don't move your arm back and forth. And done. Very nice. Okay. अब ट्राइसेप एक्सटेंशन के लिए हम एक डंबल यूज करेंगे. We'll use both our arms. So I'm going to show it from the side. Okay, make sure that your pelvis is in line, right? And आपको arch नहीं करना है अपने back को. So you keep your pelvis neutral. Your forearm comes down and then extend your arm up. Inhale as you go down, exhale up. Inhale and down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Front से कुछ ऐसा लगेगा. Your elbows shouldn't flare out. बाहर नहीं जानी चाहिए. 3 more reps we'll do. And done. Okay. So this was tricep extension. Basically you should be able to feel it on your triceps. Bicep के लिए आपको यहाँ पे feel होना चाहिए. We'll take 30 seconds of pause. In between you can take some rest, have some water and walk a little. Okay, so weight जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा आप अपनी convenience के according use कर सकते हैं. So you don't need to go too heavy. If you are very new to the exercise, पहले form learn करो आप उसका and then you start with the heavier weights. Okay, again we'll start with the bicep curls. We are starting with the second set now. We'll do 10 reps. साइड से भी देखिए. आपकी एल्बो स्टेबल रहनी चाहिए. योर आर्म शुड नॉट हैंग लाइक दिस. ओके, वापस पीछे आगे पीछे नहीं जानी चाहिए. सो कीप इट स्टेबल. एक और. Relax. And now we'll just take one dumbbell. We'll do tricep extension. hold the dumbbell overhead. Exhale up. Feel the burn on your triceps. Make sure to extend your arms completely. बैक पे नहीं प्रेशर आना चाहिए बिल्कुल भी. अगर मैं ऐसे रखूंगी तो it's going to hurt my back a lot. So you have to make sure that your pelvis is in line with your rib cage. बैठ के भी कर सकते हैं आप. Whatever is comfortable. बैठ के it's going to be a little more easier. And we are done. Now we'll move on to the next superset. In between you can take 30 seconds to 1 minute of pause. जैसे भी आपको ठीक लगे, आप अपनी convenience के according. Okay, so next exercise is going to be a shoulder press along with lateral raise. इसके लिए आपको comparatively थोड़े से lighter dumbbells चाहिए. Here I'm using a 2 kg dumbbell just to make it a little comfortable. Okay, so we'll start with the shoulder press first. So you have to keep your arms a little open. Make sure you're not keeping them too far apart from one another, almost at an angle. So exhale and come up. Inhale and down. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. Inhale and down. Exhale up. Down. Up. Down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Very nice. Good. 3 more. Good. And down. Good job. So along with this, we are going to do a lateral raise. Okay, so you have to keep your elbows a little bent. बिल्कुल लॉक नहीं रखनी आपको. We'll do 10 repetitions of this. And in this exercise, आपको अपने elbow से lift करना है. So you don't have to lift using your hands. Basically, you have to lift your elbows up. आपको अपने shoulder पे feel होना चाहिए. Good. Keep going, keep going. If you think the weight is too light for you, you can just hold in for 1 or 2 seconds and then come back slower. Good. Last 3 reps. And 1. Well done. Now we'll take a 30 seconds pause in between. आप थोड़ा सा वॉक कर सकते हैं, पानी पियो. ओके, आई एम श्योर थोड़ा सा तो एग्जॉस्ट हो ही गए होगे. नहीं हुए तो यू कैन यूज हेवियर डम्बल्स. एंड अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू गो फॉर द सेकंड सुपर सेट. मैं आपको साइड से भी दिखाऊंगी एंड देन आई विल शो यू एट एन एंगल. ओके, सो जस्ट पिक अप द डम्बल्स, कम इनटू द स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अगेन. Again, hands above your shoulders. Exhale up, down, up, come back, up, down, up. 4, 5. Exhale and up. 6. आपकी बैक पे बिल्कुल लोड नहीं आना चाहिए. 7. So don't be in this posture. Good. Nice. Keep going, keep going. And 1 more. Very nice. इसके साथ ही एक और सुपर सेट करेंगे हम. Second exercise of the superset. So lateral raise. Okay, start with your arms in front. So 10 reps. Exhale and lift up. using your elbows. 2, good. 3, come down slower. 2 more. And relax. So good job. You followed this exercise throughout with me, and I hope you enjoyed the workout. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.